GS Housing Group was established in 2001. In the past 25 years, we focus on doing one thing. That is, we building high-quality housing products. The group currently has two production bases. Total investment is $75 million. Build the core production basic for flat-pack containers. Covers an area of 100,000 square meters. Establish 5 major production lines to form a complete production system. Manufacturing steps including panel lamination, steel cold bending, welding, and coating. Our facility features a dedicated QC shop, where all units undergo final inspection after the overhead and base framework construction is completed. Our daily production capacity places it at the forefront of the industry, ensuring efficient delivery with large-scale production. With rigorous quality control, the product successfully passed the CE certification, American Standard certification, and many authoritative certifications of the European Union. 2024. Invest $145 million to build a modular production base for MIC. Covers an area of 140,000 square meters, different from traditional factories. Permanent housing is produced here. Enhance quality of life. GS Housing dedicates itself to the construction of high-quality homes. For years, the group's business has expanded to over 70 countries. Successfully undertake Europe, United States, Australia, France, Canada, Saudi Arabia, Russian Bahamas, Pakistan, Bolivia. Key project cases in multiple countries and regions, covering multiple scenarios, such as temporary housing for infrastructure construction, from standard flat-pack containers to tailor-made solutions. Oriental GS Housing offers stable quality and professional service. We use environmentally friendly technologies throughout the process. Efficient insulation processes significantly reduce energy consumption. It delivers personalized interiors without compromising on industrial-grade quality. Safety, peace of mind, and eco-friendliness are the hallmarks of GS Housing. Our commitment to factory-based manufacturing is rooted in our founding philosophy, building a secure future for all families.